Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming by. I'm Catherine, and today I have a different haul again. I have a haul from Bath & Body Works. I'm so excited. I have become, through my daughter, an ardent supporter of Bath & Body Works candles. I've used Yankee Candles for years, and they're fine. But I have found in all of the Bath & Body Works candles that I use that they have I'm going to open this while we talk. I have noticed that they have a better cold throw or burning throw. That's the smell when they're either cold or burning. And they fill my house, and I love it. And I purchased several of them early in the spring. Well, actually, it was probably considered late winter. And they just had a sale. And how was I to say no to a sale? So they had buy 3, get 1 free, plus they were on sale for like $14.50, plus if you ordered $30, you got $10 off. So I got like 4 candles for $40, which makes these huge things only $10 a candle. They do sales a lot. So I recommend checking them out. The ones that I've used so far that were my favorite were, I used a warm vanilla sugar. And I know, you're thinking, that sounds pretty basic. It's just not. There's something about it that doesn't just smell like, cookie. It has a nice smell that you really enjoy. I should say scent instead of smell, right? In your home. And then I did the banana. You'll see a theme here. Banana Bundt bread. I like the gourmand flavor. But I think I tried to go a different way this time. So here's hoping. I don't remember what scents I ordered. Let's get in here and see what scents I got, because I don't remember. They come packed. Actually, I should show you. They come packed in this nice box. Ta-da! Looking like that. And each one of them is in its own little safety carrier. That's really pretty cool. I've never ordered online. I usually go to the store, but the sale was like a one-day sale and I couldn't get out to go to the store. So I thought, okay, well, what we'll do is we'll order online. It was free shipping too if you ordered more than $40. So, I mean, it was a bargain. The only problem I had with ordering online is I haven't done it long enough that I know what all of the candle scents are. I haven't smelled them all to know what my favorites are. So I was kind of picking blind. So picking by words that I thought I liked. So this is pineapple crumb cake. I have no idea. Oh, that's good. You know what it smells like? Pineapple crumb cake. I know. Hard to believe. So on the bottom of each of them, it says what the fragrance notes are. And this says that golden pineapple, rich pound cake, and sweet brown butter are the fragrance notes of this. Also, while I have my glasses on, I will tell you that it is a 14.5 ounce, can you see that? Yep, 3-wick candle. And they come in several different kinds of coverings. This one, it's not, but it looks kind of painted. These are raised. It's really pretty. That's the other thing, is if you're going to have it sitting in your home burning, you want it to look pretty. And like I said, it has such a good cold throw that if I left the lid off this and left it sitting here next to me when my husband got home from work, he'd think there was cake. So I'm going to put the lid back on it because he doesn't need to think I'm making a cake. All right, let's see what we've got next. So well protected. Vanilla coconut. Coconut is one of my favorite scents, whether it's in a candle, whether it's food. Who doesn't love like coconut cream pie? Oh, coconut cake. So good. Body stuff, I like it all. We won't go into the Coco Cabana, but oh, it's beach. Oh, is it summer? Oh, this is such a beach smell. I love it. It's not overwhelming of the vanilla. That's what I like about their vanillas. Like I said, the warm sugar vanilla. Their vanillas aren't like this cloying vanilla, cheap incense, teenage vanilla smell. I haven't found that to be the case at all. This says that the notes are Madagascar vanilla, toasted coconut, creamy sandalwood, and it has essential oils. It says that these burn approximately 25 to 45 hours. And they're 100% crafted with you in mind and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. I have never had a problem with them, but I did watch one person's video where she said she was like me. She loved them all, but she had one candle that didn't burn nicely, and she took it back to the store and they just let her pick out another candle. Oh, so good. I can't wait. That one's going to have to wait a couple months because it just speaks to summer. Okay, what have we got next? Aromatherapy. See, they all have very different labeling. I mean, you can get some that have, but the ones that I selected all have very different labeling. This one is in the aromatherapy line, established 1990, and it's energy, orange and ginger with natural essential oils. Ready? Oh, I know you guys are going to get tired of hearing. Oh, and you were like, Catherine, stop it. It smells like ginger and orange. Actually, it's more ginger than orange. But these are all just the cold throws too. Sometimes when you light candles, they're different. This says that it is the aromatherapy energy orange and ginger candle is orange oil and ginger oil. It invigorates and uplifts and energizes your senses. This one mentions, see, you're going to learn a little bit from the back of each candle. This one mentions that they are always lead-free wicks that won't burn out. And they are exceptionally long-lasting fragrance. Exclusive patented wax for the most consistent, even burn. So I have found that to be true. So that is exactly what it says. Ginger and orange. Okay, so this one was protected by its box, but it took a hit for the team in the unboxing. This was the free. If you purchased 3, you got the 4th free, and you didn't choose the 4th. The 4th was Fresh-Cut-Lilac. How gorgeous is that? So pretty. The top is even so pretty on this. I generally don't keep the tops. I mean, you could, but they have, like I said, they have such a good cold throw that if you leave the lid off, it continues to scent your room. So the minute oh my goodness. So the minute that I take the lid off, you know, to start using the candle, I generally don't keep it. I might keep this one because it's very pretty. This is gorgeous. I will tell you right now, if you think of single note florals as an old lady scent like rose or lilac, you're not going to like this because this smells like lilac. That's it. It smells like lilac. It's gorgeous. I like it very much. As I have gotten older, I hesitate to even say that, I appreciate these scents more. I like the lilac. They make so many cosmetic products now, so many skincare products in rose scent, and I want them all. I actually found secret deodorant in a new one called Paris Rose, but I digress. It's lovely. So let's see what we learn on the back of this one. Lilac bouquets, dewy greens, and soft spring air. I smell no green in this. I mean, I'm not going to call them out and say, Lila, pants on fire. But I am saying, don't expect anything from this if you order it, except for lilac scent, because that is what it is. This one says, high concentrations of rich fragrance oils deliver room-filling fragrance. Their patented soy blend wax is formulated to provide the best fragrance experience. And then everything else is the same. I love that each one of them we learned a little bit something different. So those are the 4 candles that I received, and I am so excited, and I thought I would share that excitement with you. I hate that I can't just take this and be like, trust me, it smells so good. Oh, wow. I just made this entire area smell like lilacs. So they are $24.50 a piece. Don't spend $24.50. They go on sale a lot for $10 off. So that makes them $14.50. And a 25 to 40 hour burn with a 14.5 ounce 3-wick candle, $14.50 is great. And if you can be patient, you can do even better than that, because they often do sales at Bath & Body Works where you get $10 off if you spend $30. So half price doesn't get you to quite $30, so you have to buy 3 candles. But instead of spending like almost $75 for 3 candles, you actually spend like $33.50. Yeah. Which, $33.50 for 3 candles, and then like this sale was, you get an extra candle. Just be patient, wait for the sales. The moral of my story here is be patient and wait for the sales, because these candles are fantastic. I can't believe that I ordered 3 candles and got one for free online without smelling any of them, and I love them all. It works great. So thanks so much for coming by, guys. I know that was a little different since you couldn't smell the candles too, but I'm so loving these and I just wanted to share it. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe. Come back by. I have other unboxings coming out. Also, comment below. Do you like these candles? If you do, what is your favorite fragrance? Because, oh, what's my favorite so far? Of the ones that I've burned, I don't know that I like any more, any better than that warm sugared vanilla. Like I said, I know it sounds basic, but right now I'm doing a pink petal cake that smells really good too. They do seasonal things. Also, FYI, if there's one you love and you try it, order more because they do seasonal ones and they will phase out and come back. I digress. I could clearly go on about this all day. All right, guys. Bye.